Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a password page to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So basically, as you can see, if you simply head over to the left side of your screen, you have your preferences. You need to head over to that, or what you can do is you can see we have various settings in here. So to add a password to your store, what you can do is you can see we have this option, password protection, and you need to simply type in here something in the password field, and once you do that, it is going to be protecting your page to Shopify store. So you can easily do that. You can see currently, if you want to remove it completely, I'll leave this field empty. And yeah, so that's how easily you can add a password page to Shopify store. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.